Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I know it's Wednesday, but it's not Wheel Wednesday. I'm sorry, I actually do not have enough boxes to make spinning the wheel worth it, I guess. I mean, it still would be fun, but I just opened all the boxes that are on my wheel, so that means I'm pretty much caught up. I decided today I'm gonna open Test Tube Beauty. This came to my door today. I had to pay $12.01 to accept it. Because it was forwarded from my old address. I've had other boxes forwarded. I thought when you do that with USPS, I didn't know you had to pay. So note to whoever's moving, make sure you do that. I don't know, I have to look into it. I tried to log into their website and I couldn't figure out my password and everything to change that. I'm so glad it showed up. So $12 is worth it because if you guys don't know what Test Tube Beauty is, it's a bi-monthly beauty subscription. I love it. It's mostly skincare. You pay $29.95, but you also pay probably around $12 shipping because that's how much it actually costs to ship it from my old place to here, I guess. But yeah, so it comes out to be around $40, but you get at least $180 in value, and it's so worth it, especially if you don't have a big skincare collection or you're just getting started. I think it has been great. I pay for this myself, which says a lot. The majority of my boxes, thanks to you guys, are through PR. That's how I'm able to get so many, and I appreciate that so much. But this one I've continued to get despite my large skincare collection because I think it's great, and I want to show you guys products and also selfishly use the products inside. So it's called Test Tube because it comes, well, I don't know, that's the reason why, but it comes in a tube. And when I saw this, I just broke the seal of the box, so I didn't have to do it on camera. Is this the same one as last time? I feel like they reused the tube, which if they had extra, I'd rather them reuse it than throw them away. But you guys, I'm sorry, I just realized how rude of me. I didn't take a moment to say hi and welcome. If you guys are new here, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them most days here on our channel. And if you guys are also new, you probably don't know, I just moved, and you guys, I am doing the finishing touches, which is decor boxes and stuff. It's a mess in here. I'm so close to the end, and it makes me feel so good. I feel like I had a point for telling you guys that. Oh, the other day I said I'd be catching up on comments and stuff. I still haven't because I'm still not done. And on Tuesdays I have classes, so I will catch up soon. I just am feeling accomplished. I can't wait. And then you guys, we'll be chatting soon. I'm sorry I've been a little MIA, but I know you guys understand. But anyways, here's our tube full of beauty products, and then some things are outside the box. So how about we start with those? And they have changed their packaging to be more eco-friendly. So you scan this little QR code to get the pamphlet with all the information on the products, and I love the way they do it. They give you what it is, what the ingredients are, how to use it, why you use it, and the experts' opinions on it. Or I think they call it expert opinion is one of the columns. It's super helpful, so definitely scan that. I know with the iPhone, here I'll show you. God, my nose runs every time I turn on the camera, I swear. There's still a QR thing I have right on my home screen. Scan it. And then comes up September 2021 test tube. Fall digital book. So super simple. Alright, so we get a mix of full size and deluxe size in this box. But you do get a lot of full size, and this looks so cool. I love the logo. Saints and Sinners. I like the name too. Super Fresh Divine Dry Shampoo. Divine. I am pumped. Something about this. I'm so glad it's dry shampoo. I'll definitely use it. Since I became a redhead, I have not been washing my hair as much because I notice every time I wash it, I look more blonde than ginger. So I'm okay. Dry shampoo it is for most days of the week, so super pumped about this. Never have tried it. I feel like I have heard of the brand, but maybe just the phrase Saints and Sinners, I don't know. I have heard of the next brand here. We have two masks by Metaheal, and this is their DNA Hydrating Protein Mask. So this is supposed to nourish, hydrate, and replenish your skin, and I feel like I have tried this before, and I've liked every mask from them. To be fair, I think I've liked all but one sheet mask I've ever used. They provide great short-term benefits, prep your skin for makeup and stuff. I love that. And then it looks like we have a supplement here, and I'm so glad it's not collagen, but let's see. Isn't it vegetarian? I got a comment before, we get it, you're vegetarian. I'm well, I just have to make note of it. It's my life and my review. We get a lot of bovine-based collagen products, I've noticed, not just in this box, but in general in subscriptions. That's why I made that comment. But anyways, this is the Lipospheric B Complex Plus. us vegetarians need some more B12, you guys. What kind of B vitamins is it? All of them? So yeah, it's a dietary supplement using smart liposomal nanospheres. 195 milligrams of B vitamins. I want to look into this so bad. If you guys don't know, I feel like I just recently said this. I know a lot of my OGs, but I do have my doctorate in pharmacy, so the inner pharmacist in me wants to read all the label. But this looks great, and from what I can tell, it looks vegetarian. And it says this is supposed to help you. Like, is this just to be? I'm surprised it doesn't say something on like your skincare or something on here, but whatever. I will look into this more later and stop railing about it. I am excited about that. I just figured it would be like a skin or hair vitamin, but I think it's just like health in general, which I appreciate. Now on to the tube. Here's what's inside. Guys, I say this all the time. I get these kind of often in boxes, but different colors lately. Like there's the orange, which is the main one. They got green recently. Now this one's red. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. A patented 2-step peel with 7 acids. It's supposed to help smooth fine lines and minimize the look of pores and improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. And I feel like I tried this like a while ago. I don't know about this specific kind. Like I don't know if the colors even are different or what. But usually I put them in giveaways, so I'm like, maybe I'll try this one. There's 5 treatments in this one. Usually you get 2. I don't know. But I am aging like we all are every day, which is totally cool. I love life the older I get more. But I've got some fine lines, so I could use it. But anyways, let's move on. Next is a new product by Yes to Cucumbers. And this is their daily eye treatment with aloe vera to soothe. So this is for sensitive skin. Nice. Ooh, a gua sha jade tool. I've had gua shas before and other like rollers and jade rollers, and I like really love the results when I start using them, but then I like just get lazy or forget. Like I'm the type of person, I just have to like see things to remember to use them. Like if something's in a drawer that I never open, I'm gonna forget. So I want to try using this again because I do get puffy. I think it's an allergy thing and genetics, but gua sha jade tool is supposed to help enhance product absorption, use on the face or body for increased lymphatic drainage, so that could help with the puffiness. You can also use it for the jawline and neck. So I am excited to get this. I think I have a rose one. So the jade, I think there's like specific property. Well, there are. Like, you know how I love crystals and everything like that. But I know there's like rose quartz. Is that what they use? The pink ones? I think so. Is another popular one. But anyways, point being, I'm excited to try that because I did see good results in the past. Have you guys tried that? Like the rollers and the gua shas? I feel like it did like make my face shape look a little bit more defined, my jawline, and it helped with puffiness. So I need to stay on that and use it. Not good beauty tools. Intimate Deo Spray. What? Fragrance free, freshening and deodorizing, developed with a gynecologist. So that's good because I know a lot of things. This is for our down there areas, our privates. You definitely want to be careful. Do not use douches. It's not good for you. And don't take DBs either, please, ladies. But it says on the back, ladies. Let's be honest. Armpits are not the only body parts that sweat. Okay, so this is developed by the doctor with the gentle and pH balanced intimate deodorant spray. It leaves you smelling fresh all day. So if you're self-conscious about that, I think this is great, but down there it's a self-cleaning organ, so you don't need to use anything like that. But if it makes you feel better, or if it helps, especially it's hotter months and stuff like that, or if you work out, like I guess we'll try and see how it works. Like it doesn't hurt, I guess. I'll have to look into the ingredients more and stuff, and I'm really glad it's not fragranced, at least. But we have 3 things to go. We have a face oil, it looks like. Pink. This is by BYBI, or BB. Strawberry Booster Facial Oil. It's supposed to soften the skin. So yeah, strawberry seed oil. I don't know if I've used strawberry in my skincare at all, but I do love strawberry flavored things and strawberries themselves. This is new, I think. Is it going to be the next big thing? And then last but not least, it looks like we have 2 lip balms. So we didn't really get any makeup products this time, did we? Unless these are tinted or something. Are these the same scent? Interesting. I wonder if they accidentally gave me 2. So they have CBD in them. That's like the current thing. I wonder if like strawberry will be the next thing. But Mood Calm Lavender Serenity, made with vanilla and 250 milligrams CBD. So this is like your lip balm is calming. It's lip balm, right? Yeah. Should everyone get 2? Let me know. So I always like having more lip balm. I actually haven't been able to find just like tubes of lip balm. I have like my overnight lip masks I've been using, which were great, but sometimes a little too thick if you're about to do your makeup after you like wipe it off. First world problems, but I'm glad to have some, and I love things that smell good. Take a sniff now that I blew my nose, hopefully I can smell. It does, it smells like real lavender, but not too strong. Like barely. It's not super strong like scented. But you know, like sometimes I actually do like fake lavender smell too, but like the legitimate lavender, like the actual plant, smells like that. So not my favorite test tube. I think the last one was my favorite. I was really pumped about it, right? Yeah, but I really like this subscription in general, and I do like this one too. I'm just saying it's not my favorite, but I love that it's bi-monthly because it gives you time to use your products, especially skincare. Like, you know, that takes time, especially when you're not sharing with like a roommate or a partner. So what am I the most excited about? Definitely the Saints and Sinner, this super fresh divine dry shampoo, pumped about, especially since I need to use more. I still don't know how I feel about this deodorant, but I do feel like this could help some people with their overall confidence and just feeling like good, you know, in general. Like, no one wants to feel like sweaty and dirty and stuff, so if that helps you, like, I know if I was without deodorant elsewhere, like, yeah. So I think that is cool. I am excited about this wash. Normally I don't get excited about facial tools, but I want to do it because I've been puffier and having more allergies. Like I had to blow my nose, like pause and do that. So I'm excited about that. The mask I'll definitely use. I am curious about this strawberry seed oil. Like, what are the benefits? Soothing, I guess. And this seems like a great company. Like they're cruelty-free, climate-conscious, all this stuff. And the only ingredient is Fragaria Anastasia. I don't know if Ananasa. I want to say Anastasia Beverly Hills, but aka strawberry seed oil. A rich and nourishing facial oil. It's high in ellagic acid. Oh my god, so this might be really cool. It soothes and conditions dry or flaky skin. So I am actually really excited to try this because it has a different like fatty acid than other oils I use. So maybe it'll have great effects. We shall see. And the B vitamins. I've been trying to be more conscious about that lately. My health in general. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. I would love to know your thoughts. Not the most exciting ever. Like I always like when we get like one makeup thing, like a pretty lipstick or something, or like whatever it is. Even nail polish and stuff, which I need to do my nails once I'm done unpacking. I'm so excited. I just want to keep talking to you guys right now. If you guys are still here, you probably don't really care. Probably noticed I've got a wall of tarot cards now. I'm in like tarot school, I guess you could say, and one of our assignments is to have that on the wall. So like when we're in class or like just studying, we have it to reference, and I kind of like how it goes there. Got in the ladder and everything yesterday. So yeah, you guys are curious about that. I'll probably talk about that on the other channel, which by the way, if you guys aren't subscribed, I do have another channel called Kitty Outside the Box where I will be posting vlogs. Well, I have posted a few vlogs now, and other content as well. I've got a lot of ideas. I'm so excited to be settling in and having more time. So let me know how you guys are. Let me know what you think about the box, and I hope you're all safe and healthy. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. You make every day better for me. I love you so much, and yeah, I think I already said this, but I hope you guys are well, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.